Good day, Wanda van Bogerijen here from Holland. Still very nice weather. I don't know why, but well, September has been the warmest month ever. Well, for September, and well, still nice weather to sit outside. Well, I went shopping again today, but now I went to IKEA with my sister. And I bought some things, so I thought these would be handy for a Happy Meal or just for storing. In this box is the 1 liter and the 0.4 liter, and there's 30 ones of those and 30 ones of those, so little bags, always handy. And then I bought these ones, also zip bags, and this one is 6 liter and this one is the 4.5 liter, and both 15 pieces, so big box of this. So of course we also had breakfast at IKEA. And instead of spoons for the coffee and tea, they now have wooden sticks. And of course I had to take some home, so I did that. And then, well, I got some of these batteries, nothing special. Always handy because I use the kitchen scale a lot, so now I have enough in storage. And then, which one shall I show first? I think I will tell you. I picked out a couch, and I want to show you which one it was. So going to stop the video now. You're going to see a picture of my couch. I will be right back after that. So this is my new couch. It's going to be delivered Monday evening, and I'm very happy with it. So I do hope you like my couch. It's different from me because, well, I had to choose between this grey one or the black one. And well, I really like black, but with my dogs I think the grey one would be awesome. And because I have pink, well, it's a little old pink, we call it here in Holland, so it's a little bit greyish pink, so it would look awesome against my walls. So I picked a grey one. So oh, no, don't need to see these. Sorry about that. Oh yes, I'm just going to show you these. I found these, and they're really sturdy, and I've never seen them before at IKEA. But well, it was 99 cents, and you have 6 pieces, and this is the largest one. Look, this until this, and then this is the smallest one, and then 4 in between. So I thought these were lovely, and yes, pink. So can't be better than that. And then, well, we were at the children's section, art supplies, and I found these. I've never used synthetics brushes before, so well, it was a nice price. I think 1.99 euros, of course. So I can try these now. So, well, I got a little sample of the color of the couch. Well, this one is a bit darker, but well, I want to use it as texture anyway. I just told her I thought it would be nice to have a piece of couch. So I got a piece of leather, and then 2 more. I think I want to show you this one first. I got a big container, and well, it's got a lid, and I don't think I need this, but well, it was in there. So then if you close it up very good. I'm just going to close it because it's going very steady. Okay, and then you have a button here, look, and then you open it up and then listen and then close it. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see, yes, it's a little bit pressurized now. So I bought this for clay storage. Well, yeah. Why do I go to IKEA? To shop for a couch and art supplies and storage. Oh well. This is a very big one. I don't know if I ever need a big one like this, but well, I can put in the tools or the molds or whatever. So I got this one. And then, well, because I was thinking about clay and stuff and things, and well, I just decided to also try baked clay and see how that works. And well, I bought this one. Look, it's an oven tray. You can put it in the oven and then take it out with sleeves, of course. But oh, it's a handy size, and you can put your clay in. And my sister advised to just put in some wax paper, baking paper. So you can just pick them off that. So yeah, I thought that would be nice for baking my clay. Now I need baking clay. Oh God, I'm sorry. Oh well. If you want to see some pictures of IKEA Zwolle in Holland, please go over to my blog. I will post them on my blog as well as this video. And well, I hope you have a very, very nice day and enjoy creating, because well, I will. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.